dignitaries and valued partners, members of media, and the proud IC Electricals Company Limited family. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this landmark occasion, the official listing of IC Electricals Company Limited on the National Stock Exchange Emerge platform. Well, that is your cue for a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start. Come on. Wonderful. Well, I'm Dr. Azra Khan, and what a truly honor it is to be your host for this momentous occasion where we celebrate the significant milestone in the journey of a company, of its innovation, engineering excellence, and contribution to Indian railway infrastructure. Well, ladies and gentlemen, to commence this momentous occasion in the spirit of unity and national pride, may I request everyone to please rise and shine for the national anthem. So much, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you as we have gathered here to celebrate a significant milestone in the journey of IC Electricals Company Limited. Established in 2005, IC Electricals Company Limited has steadily built a reputation as a trusted partner to Indian Railways by delivering innovative electronic equipments and comprehensive engineering solutions. Guided by a commitment to quality, technological excellence, and customer satisfaction, the company has emerged as a reliable contributor to India's railway infrastructure. At the heart of this remarkable journey is a visionary leadership team whose dedication, expertise, and relentless pursuit of excellence have shaped the company's growth over the years. It is now my privilege to warmly welcome the esteemed promoters and directors of IC Electricals Company Limited. Their leadership has been instrumental in transforming the company into a respected name in the railway electronics and electrification sector. We also extend a heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guests, valued investors, business associates, bankers, advisors, members of the media, and every stakeholder who has joined us today. Your presence makes this celebration even more meaningful, and we sincerely thank each and every one of you for joining on this memorable occasion. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my privilege to introduce our esteemed board of members. So, please join me in welcoming Karma, Director, Karma, Director, Mr. Sanjay Pandey, Director, now please help me invite with a round of applause Mr. Sanjay Pandey, Director, Mr. Nitin Sarup Chaudhary, Director, and Mrs. Savita Sachdeva, Director. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Board of Directors of IC Electricals Company Limited. Let's do that. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also delighted to welcome our distinguished guests who have joined us on this significant milestone. First, we warmly welcome Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, National Stock Exchange of India. And may I request Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director, to kindly present the bouquet to Mr. Gupta as a token of our appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also honored to welcome Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, Nextgen Financial Solutions Private Limited, becoming lead manager of this successful public issue. May I once again request Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma to kindly present the bouquet to Mr. Gupta as a gesture of our gratitude and appreciation. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now I request you to kindly take your seats. Once again, thanks to all our esteemed guests for gracing this special occasion with their presence. Ladies and gentlemen, to mark the auspicious beginning of this new chapter in the journey of IC Electricals Company Limited, we now proceed with the ceremonial lamp lighting, a cherished Indian tradition that symbolizes knowledge, prosperity, positivity, and the illumination of a bright future. May I kindly invite the esteemed leadership team of IC Electricals Company Limited to grace this sacred ceremony. May I request Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director, and Mrs. Renu Verma, promoter and director, to kindly join us for this ceremony. I would also like to extend a warm invitation to our distinguished guests to kindly join us for this symbolic ceremony. Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, National Stock Exchange of India, and Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, book running lead manager. Ladies and gentlemen, can we join our hands together louder? Thank you so much. As the ceremonial lamp is lit, may it symbolize the spirit of innovation, engineering excellence, and unwavering commitment that have guided IC Electricals Company Limited since its inception. May this sacred light illuminate the company's path towards continued growth, technological advancement, and enduring success at its strengthened its contribution to the modernization of India's railway infrastructure and creates lasting values for all its stakeholders. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me take you through the company journey. Every successful organization has a story, one of determination, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. The journey of IC Electricals Company Limited is a testament to exactly that. Since its incorporation in 2005, IC Electricals Company Limited has been dedicated to advancing the modernization of Indian Railway through cutting-edge electronic equipments and engineering solutions. Operating primarily on a business to government model, the company has proudly partnered with the Ministry of Railways and various railway zones to deliver products and solutions that enhances the operational efficiency, reliability, and passenger safety. Beyond manufacturing, IC Electricals Company Limited has successfully executed major turnkey railway electrification projects, including the Gorakhpur Kaptanganj Valmiki Nagar section under the North Eastern Railway and the Ara Sasaram section under the East Central Railway, further strengthening its position as a trusted infrastructure partner. The company's continued success is driven by a strong culture of research and development, state of the art manufacturing facilities, an experienced leadership team, and an extensive nationwide service network and dedicated representatives that every state capital ensuring prompt customer support. As Hexi Electricals Company Limited embarks on its new chapter of growth, we wish the company continued success in its journey towards building a smarter, safer, and more connected railway ecosystem for the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request everyone to please have your eyes on the big screen to have a look on the corporate presentation. So that was the corporate presentation of IC Electricals Company Limited. Can we have a round of applause once again? Thank you. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue this momentous celebration, it is time to hear directly from the leadership team behind this remarkable success story. The visionaries whose dedication, expertise, and forward thinking approach continue to guide IC Electricals Company Limited towards new milestone of growth, innovation, and engineering excellence. So, ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at one of the most significant moments of today's celebration, an opportunity to hear from the visionary leaders and esteemed guests who have played an instrumental role in the remarkable journey of IC Electricals Company Limited. To begin with, it is my privilege to invite the visionary leader whose determination, entrepreneurial spirit, and commitment to engineering excellence have been the driving force behind the success of IC Electricals Company Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director, IC Electricals Company Limited.
Someday becomes milestone in the company history. Today is one of those days for IC Electrical. Good morning, everybody. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you at this very crucial, special occasion as we celebrate the listing of IC Electrical at National Stock Exchange. On behalf of entire IC Electrical family, I extend my heartfelt welcome to dignitaries of National Stock Exchange, our esteemed investors, member of the board of directors, our merchant bankers, legal advisor, auditors, business associates, valuable customers, and our employees, friends, family, and other distinguished guests. Your presence today makes this milestone even more meaningful, and we are truly grateful that you have chosen to celebrate this special day with us. Today is more than a listing ceremony. It is a celebration of dream nurtured over the year of wavering perseverance and of the collective efforts of countless people who believed in our vision. When we started IC Electrical, we had a simple vision to build the company known for quality, reliability, innovation, and integrity. We believe that we remain true to these values and success would follow. And over the year, our business has grown, our capabilities have expanded, and our aspirations have become bigger, and our core values have remained unchanged. Every milestone we have achieved has been made possible because of confidence of our customers placed in us and dedication of our employees, guidance of our board, and support of our partners, and now trust of our investors. For their, we are deeply grateful. Today, as we join the distinguished family of company listed on the National Stock Exchange, we recognize that our achievement is both a privilege and a responsibility. It inspires us to raise the bar even higher. Our commitment remains unwavering to uphold the highest standards of corporate governance, continued investing in innovation, delivery, reliability, and mission critical engineering solutions, and create a sustainable long term value for our stakeholders. As India enters in exciting phase of infrastructure development and railway modernization, we are proud to contribute to this transformation and we see tremendous opportunity ahead and we are committed in growing responsibly while supporting our national progress. The listing is not the destination. It is a beginning of new chapter, a chapter that will write within the same integrity that build our foundation and the same passion that drives our people and the same trust that our customer, partner, employee, and investor have placed on us. Before I conclude, I would like to thank each one of you for being here today. Your presence is a reflection of the relationship we built over the years and makes this celebration more meaningful. I am honored to have you with us as we celebrate this defining milestone in the journey of IC Electrical. Welcome once again and thank you being part of this occasion.
Thank you so much, Mr. Verma, for those inspiring words. Your vision, dedication, and leadership continue to steer IC Electricals Company Limited towards greater heights of innovation, growth, and excellence. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. We now proceed to the official bell ringing ceremony marking the formal listing of IC Electricals Company Limited on the NSE Merge platform, a proud and historic milestone in the company's remarkable journey of engineering excellence, innovation, and dedicated service to Indian Railways. So, ladies and gentlemen, please help me invite the esteemed board of directors of IC Electricals Company Limited to the bell ringing ceremony. May I request Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director, to please join us here for the same. Mrs. James Verma, promoter and director. I would also like to invite our distinguished guest to kindly join us for the iconic moment. Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, National Stock Exchange of India. And before we move ahead with the bell ringing ceremony, I would request Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, National Stock Exchange of India, to kindly present the listing certificate and memento to Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma and Ms. Renu Verma. Ladies and gentlemen, I give a round of applause at this moment. Big congratulations to the IC Electricals Company Limited. Can we join our hands together? Yeah, everyone. Thank you so much. I would also like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, book running lead manager, to kindly join us here for this iconic moment. I request Mr. Supriyo Gupta to kindly present the memento to Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, book running lead manager, in recognition of his invaluable contributions to this successful listing journey. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment is very near, and I request everyone to please join me in the countdown that we're going to do. So, we'll be doing the countdown to reach that iconic moment, and I request everyone to join me for the same. So, are you excited? I didn't feel the energy. Can we make some noise? आई थिंक आप लोगों ने मेरी बातों को थोड़ा ज्यादा सीरियसली ले लिया आई सेड कैन यू मेक सम नॉइज तो आपने थोड़ी ही नॉइज की चलिए बहुत सारे नॉइज के साथ लेट्स रीच द मोमेंट इट्स 3 Fantastic. That symbolic ring of the bell. RC Electronics Company Limited has finally officially listed on the NSE platform. Ladies and gentlemen, I huge for this fantastic. But today marks the beginning of this new era, one defined by innovation, sustainable growth, engineering excellence, and an even stronger commitment to supporting the modernization of India's railway infrastructure. Congratulations to the entire team of IC Electricals Company Limited, its valued stakeholders, employees, customers, and everyone who is linked to this company. Well, thank you so much. Now, I request everyone to please settle down as we continue with the program. Once again, a heartiest congratulations to the entire team of IC Electricals Company Limited. So, ladies and gentlemen, next it is my honor to invite our distinguished guest from the National Stock Exchange of India. His presence today reflects the National Stock Exchange's continued commitment to empowering promising enterprises through the NSE Emerge platform and supporting their journey in the capital markets. Ladies and gentlemen, please extend a heartiest welcome to Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, National Stock Exchange of India. A huge round of applause.
Shri Sunil Kumar Verma ji, Managing Director, IC Electricals Company Limited. Shri Rahul Verma, Full-Time Director, IC Electrical Company Limited. Closer. I'm using this one. Oh, is this fine? Okay. And see, Sanjeev Gupta ji, Director, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited. And all other board of directors, other dignitaries, employees, family members, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of IC Electricals Company Limited. IC Electricals is in the business of manufacturing of electronic equipment for railways application, and it provides advanced engineering solutions and a wide range of electronic products to the Indian Railways. And I must say that it's a very relevant industry today, given the focus on infrastructure of Government of India, especially in the railways. So that's quite a remarkable path you have chosen. NSE is proud to welcome IC Electricals Company Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 739th company to list on the NSE Emerge platform. Total funds raised by all the listed companies on the Emerge platform till date is around 23,327 crore rupees, and the total market cap of the NSE Emerge listed companies now has crossed rupees 1.8 lakh crores. And from today onwards, IC Electricals Company Limited will be an integral part of it. India today is the fifth largest capital market in the world after US, China, Japan, and Hong Kong. Our market capitalization has grown about 120 times since NSE started its operations in 1994, and today it stands at rupees 475 lakh crore, which is almost US dollar 5.05 trillion. Today, NSE has over 13 crore unique registered investors, having over 25 crore accounts, reaching 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country. And it covers almost 20% of all households in India directly investing in the stock markets today. It is a testament to India's entrepreneurial spirit and the trust of its people on its entrepreneurs. The IPO of IC Electricals Limited with an issue size of rupees 47.9 crore has garnered an excellent response. I congratulate the entire team of IC Electricals Company Limited, the merchant bankers, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of their efforts. At NSE, we are committed to facilitating fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of IC Electricals Company Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We once again welcome IC Electricals Company Limited to the NSE family, and we hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us, and we look forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for your encouraging words and for the National Stock Exchange's continued support in enabling companies like IC Electricals Company Limited to achieve new milestones. And now it is our privilege to hear from the organization that has successfully guided this listing journey. With their expertise, strategic insights, and unwavering support throughout the IPO process, they have played a vital role in making today's achievement possible. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, the book running lead manager for this successful public issue. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Sanjeev Gupta.
Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity. Well, I'll start from a different perspective. I think just taking a moment to say good morning and then adding my welcoming remarks. But I'm duty bound to announce that the share is already listed. The ringing of the bell is successful. The bulls have been awakened, and the price is around 60% plus up. It's around 167. Please celebrate the train that you started and made it come to this destination of listing today has actually arrived, and we are proud that it is already listed at 167. There's a mic. Okay, so this is the mic we have to use also. Okay, so let me formally, on behalf of the book running lead managers, NextGen, welcome you all to this wonderful listing ceremony of IC Electricals Limited. With with the listing today, the 1.3 crores shares of the company are, though they were offered at 99 rupees, are listed today. I think, if I'm not wrong, at a price of 160 plus. That's why the market cap could have been whatever it is coming to. So at that price, I think there is a moment to celebrate. So I'll just like to give you a little statistics that this is a feat which is almost not been accomplished in the last 18 months of the journey till now. Uh, with 3 lakh 13,000 applications, the issue is done 390 times plus. And obviously, the stock market is celebrating. I will come to a little more detail as I go along, but I thought that would be the right perspective to start from. I was talking to some people in the morning, and they said, in a very, very Punjabi manner, but they did say something like this, that कि इतनी subscription से क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? And the language, the terminology, if I can use, because it's a family today that we are celebrating this in, is सानू की ते तुआनू की ते ते फायदा की ते प्राप्ति की. So I think I'll try to explain that first before I get down to, the rest of the stuff. Sir, the current subscription, and sir, you will relate with me when I say this, Verma sir, that the current subscription is not just the demand that has come in. It's actually the conviction of these 3 lakh plus investors in not only the Indian growth story, not only the electrification as a theme, which this country is pursuing in every single, I would say, sphere, in mobility, in its operations, in every which way, and is at the center stage of India's growth. Also, IC Electrification as IC Electricals Limited as the engine and the tool of building the modern, the electrified Viksit Bharat at 2047. And I please congratulate you and call for everyone to celebrate this together with another round of applause. Thank you very much. Thank you. I would like to add on one small thing, that you, all of you, as stakeholders, and the stakeholders, Dr. Azra very beautifully defined, includes all of us. You, as stakeholders, have a right to be proud, because you are the one who are part of this building up of modern Viksit Bharat. We have successfully now raised capital for the company, which will add to the fuel of capex and the working capital that this company will need to build safer, I would say, more efficient railway systems, empowering the crores of Indians which travel on the railway system with a safer and a more, I would say, stress-free travel, and contributing furthermore to the development of India. And so this success matters to all of you. So I just was answering Faida ki and Prapti ki. So let me now come back to the order of the day and say, sir, Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, sir, you as the promoters and the team of entire team and the family at IC Electricals deserve my biggest gratitude. Uh, as choosing us as your book running lead manager, we are very proud. We are very thankful to you for that. I am also very thankful to the regulators, National Stock Exchange. It's a wonderful experience always working with you all, and the way you hold everything together. the registrars, the bankers, the advisors, the auditors, the legal advisors, and everyone. Well, the magic has been produced. That magic has been led by our dear Mr. Vipin Agrawal, who's not there though, but I would request him to understand that we acknowledge this. I would also like the NextGen's team, including everyone here present in this room, to stand up for a moment with folded hands and acknowledge the appreciation, which I feel that all of you, Kelly Madam is not standing up, is she not part of this winning team? So I really, really thank all of you from the bottom of my heart that under the leadership of this magician, we produce some magic for this stock exchange. 14,000 crores of rupees, sir, which is not a small feat, sir. Go for a 40 crore issue, but it tells you what we can as a company deliver, and that's what we are very proud of, sir. Please be seated. Thank you so much. Uh, Sorry, 174. I stand corrected, ma'am. That's why I asked you to. Thank you so much. So, sir, the ringing of the bell has already invoked. You had rung it very, very, I would say, shrill and very strong. And it has already invoked the bulls of the capital market. I pray that they work in your favor continuously. And I would have only one last comment to make to everyone who's already on this train to stay boarded, because this train is just started. It's going to reach its destination. We are going to list this company on the main board in not more than 2.5 years' time. And we will need all of you remaining on that train till we probably go for an international listing. I pray for that and I wish you all the luck. Happy investing, happy wealth building. All the best to all of them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for your valuable insights and for exceptional guidance and support throughout IC Electricals Company Limited's capital market journey. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a warm round of applause for all our esteemed speakers. Can we do that? Let's join our hands together. But their inspiring words have made today's celebration even more meaningful and have reinforced the bright future that lies ahead for IC Electricals Company Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move we now move to the felicitation ceremony. Just a second. Yeah. We now move to the felicitation ceremony, a special segment dedicated to recognizing the and expressing our sincere gratitude to the individuals and organizations whose unwavering support, expertise, and commitment have played an integral role in the successful listing journey of IC Electricals Company Limited. May I kindly invite Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director, IC Electricals Company Limited, to please join us here for the Momento presentation. I also request all the distinguished guests, advisors, partners, and member of the IC Electricals Company Limited family, whose name will be announced, to kindly come forward as invited. We begin by felicitating our esteemed institutional partners, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. May I request Mr. Supriyo Gupta, Vice President, NSE, to kindly come forward. I request Mr. Verma to kindly present the memento as a token of appreciation for the gracious presence and support. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, founder, Nexten Financial Solutions Private Limited, book running lead manager, to kindly join us here. Now I would like to invite Mr. Vipin Agarwal. Though he's not present here, so I would like to invite Mr. Pankaj Kumar to kindly come forward to receive the memento for the valuable contributions in the successful IPO journey of IC Electricals Company Limited. We would also like to felicitate the members of the NextGen team for their exceptional contribution to this successful IPO journey. I would like to invite CS Hassanullah. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. I request Mr. Verma to kindly present the memento to CS Hassanullah. Thank you so much. And now I would like to invite CA Shubham Gupta. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now I would like to invite CA Pooja Kumari. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now please help me invite with a round of applause Mr. Sahil from Western Financial Services Private Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the representative of Skyline Financial Services Private Limited to kindly join us here. And I request Mr. Verma to kindly present the memento. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma, which is the advisor to the issue Turnaround Corporate Advisors Private Limited. Now, please help me invite with a round of applause Mr. Vinay Agarwal, advisor to the issue Consulting Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, now please help me invite with a round of applause Mr. Nilesh Karani, IR and PR partner, Orient Connect Mumbai. I request Mr. Verma to kindly present the momentum. Let's give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Krishna Kyar Neeraj, financial advisor to the issue. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And now I would like to invite our market maker, Mansi Share and Stock Broking Private Limited. I would like to invite the representative from Mansi Share and Stock Broking Private Limited. Now I would like to invite the legal advisor to this IPO, RKP and Associates. I would like to invite the representative of Axis Bank Limited to kindly come forward. Now, I would like to invite the statutory auditor and peer review auditor, the representative from MNS, PGAR and Company Chartered Accountants, to kindly come forward. I request Mr. Verma to kindly present the memento to our statutory auditor and peer review auditor. A huge round of applause, everyone. And now I would like to invite the practicing company secretary, CS Abhishek Singh Rawat. We now felicitate the key management of IC Electricals Company Limited. May I request the following dignitaries to kindly come forward? Mr. Subodh Kumar, Company Secretary. And now I would like to invite Ms. Davisha Verma, Chief Financial Officer. We now invite the esteemed members of Board of Directors of IC Electricals Company Limited. May I request Mrs. Renu Verma, Director, to kindly come forward. Now I would like to invite Mr. Rahul Verma, Director, Mr. Sanjay Vishwakarma, Director, and now I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay Pandey, Independent Director.
Speak asked to Goldman Consulting team, Goldman team, Ash, Pranav, Jan. Last move, Tarun Bhushan. That's all. Tarun Bhushan. मोमेंटोस नहीं है मेरा है यार
ये प्रणव है।
प्रणव
And now I would like to invite Mr. Bhaskar Reddy Dasari, Independent Director.
बुला लेना
बस
इनको
वो
यहीं
नहीं है
रखना
बस टीम ऑफ बॉन्डिंग दैट्स ऑल
Just have to invite.
हाँ
इनके मोमेंटो के बाद ना
पहले इनका
Now I would like to invite Mr. Nitin Sarup Chaudhary, Independent Director.
इनको इनको बुला लेना
Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Savita Sachdeva, Director. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude this ceremony, we come to a very special moment. Every milestone is the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and visionary leadership. Behind this remarkable journey of IC Electricals Company Limited stands a leader whose unwavering commitment, entrepreneurial spirit, and relentless pursuit of excellence have transformed the company into a trusted partner of Indian Railways and guided it to its proud milestone to being listed on the NSE Merge platform. So, this final memento is not merely a token of appreciation, it is a token, it is a tribute to outstanding leadership, determination, and an inspiring vision for the future. So, to present this memento, I would like to invite Mr. Sanjeev Gupta from NextGen. A huge round of applause. And we present the memento to Mr. Sunil Kumar Verma, promoter and managing director. Company Limited. Once again, a big congratulations to the entire team of IC Electrical Company Limited. Once again, a big congratulations to the entire team of IC Electricals Company Limited. And now I would like to invite the Goldman team to please come forward. Mr. Akash, Mr. Pranav,
Mr. Gaurav
Mr. Gaurav,
and
and
Tarun Bhushan.
Mr. Tarun Bhushan. So this is the Goldman team who have played a significant role in the journey of IC Electricals Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, let's once again give the resounding round of applause for our distinguished guests, advisors, partners, board members, and the entire IC Electricals Company Limited team. Thank you so much, everyone, for being such integral part of this remarkable journey. And we wish IC Electricals Company Limited continued success. Thank you so much, sir. I request you to kindly take your seat. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we draw the curtains on this landmark occasion, we also usher in an exciting new chapter in the journey of IC Electricals Company Limited. A future driven by innovation, engineering excellence, sustainable growth, and unwavering commitment to strengthening India's railway infrastructure. To formally conclude this grand celebration, I now invite Ms. Davisha Verma, Company Secretary, IC Electricals Company Limited, to deliver the vote of thanks. A huge round of applause.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this great occasion for us. It is both an honor and a privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of IC Electricals on this truly auspicious and historic day. There is a saying that every milestone is first a dream, then a decision, and finally, the result of countless ordinary days filled with extraordinary efforts. Today, as we stand here at the National Stock Exchange, we celebrate that journey. The ringing of the bell lasts only a few seconds, but the journey to reach it takes years. It takes courage to dream, resilience to overcome challenges, and the collective commitment of hundreds of people working towards one shared vision. Today is the celebration of all such efforts. Our heartfelt gratitude goes to the National Stock Exchange for welcoming IC Electricals into the family of listed companies and for hosting this memorable ceremony. To our investors, thank you for believing in our story. Your confidence is not just an investment in our company, it is an investment in our people, our vision, and our future. We value the trust you have placed in us and remain committed to earning it every single day. We thank our merchant bankers, NextGen Financial Solutions Private Limited, and their entire team, and a very special thanks to Mr. Sanjeev Gupta and Mr. Vipin Agrawal for holding our hand throughout this process. Uh, we thank our advisors to the issue, Mr. Vinay Agrawal, Mr. Krishna Kumar Neeraj, and Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma, our legal advisors, RKP and Associates, our auditors, Mr. Ankit and Mr. Pramod from KGR and Co. Our registrar to the issue, Skyline Financial Services Private Limited, our market maker, Mansi Share and Broking, Stock Broking Private Limited, and our PR partner, Mr. Nilesh Karani from Oregon Connect. A very special thanks to Mr. Nilesh. I'd like to thank our practicing company secretary, Mr. Abhishek, and our company secretary, Mr. Subodh, and every professional who has guided us through the entire IPO process. Thank you for your expertise, patience, and unwavering support. This milestone is as much yours as it is ours. To our customers, the Indian Railway, business partners, and vendors, thank you for walking this journey with us. Every order, every partnership, and every opportunity has helped shape the company that we are today. To our board of directors, thank you for your wisdom, guidance, and steadfast leadership. Your governance has been the compass that has pointed the company in the right direction. And to every member of IC Electrical family, our senior management, and our employees, the moment belongs to all of us. Behind every product delivered, every milestone achieved, and every challenge overcome is your dedication, your integrity, and your hard work. Today's success is a reflection of all our commitment. And finally, to our promoter, Mr. S.K. Verma, thank you for having the courage to dream when the destination seemed distant, the conviction to persevere through every challenge, and the humility to remember that success is always a collective achievement. And as we begin a new chapter as a listed company, we do so with immense gratitude, renewed responsibility, and an unwavering commitment to creating lasting value for our shareholders and all our stakeholders. Today, the ringing of the bell marks more than just listing on the National Stock Exchange. It marks our promise, a promise to uphold the trust of every shareholder, every customer, every employee, and every partner that has placed their faith in IC Electricals. This is not a culmination of a journey, it is a beginning of a new one. A journey where every milestone will be measured not only by growth, but by the values with which we achieve it. With gratitude in our heart and responsibility on our shoulders, we look forward to building a company that makes each and every stakeholder of IC Electricals proud. Thank you for being a part of this occasion, and thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Ms. Davisha, for those heartfelt words of gratitude. The journey of IC Electricals Company Limited continues with renewed purpose and greater aspirations. As the company embarks on its journey as a listed entity on the NSE Merge platform, it remains committed to delivering innovative engineering solutions, advancing railway technology, and creating lasting values for its customers, shareholders, employees, and all stakeholders. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire team of Electricals Company Limited family, I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining us today on this special occasion. We extend our sincere gratitude to the National Stock Exchange, our esteemed guests, advisors, investors, business associates, and members of the media, and everyone present today on this occasion. We now invite you all for the breakfast arranged in the cafeteria. Please use this opportunity to interact with the team. And thank you so much once again. Have a wonderful day ahead. And also, I request the team of IC Electricals Company Limited to kindly come forward for some group photographs. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. This is your host, Dr. Ezra Khan, signing off. Thank you so much.